So the process to transfer BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet is quite easy and simple. First, you need to open up your Trust Wallet app on your phone, or you can even open that on your laptop as well. So once you are logged in into your account, you need to simply go and open up BNB. So here we have BNB, simply go and tap on this. And this would show up your BNB thing on your Trust Wallet. Now to receive BNB from your Binance account, simply go and tap on receive and it will give you an address. So simply go and tap on this copy at the bottom left and it says address copied. So once you have done so, simply go and close that. Now you need to go and open up your Binance app. So here we go with the Binance app, and once that is open, you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, simply go and tap on wallets at the right bottom corner. And here make sure that you are into your spot. So once here, simply go to BNB. So here we have BNB. And once you are inside BNB, tap on withdraw. Here, paste the Trust Wallet address you have just copied. Now select the network and you have option of BEP2 or BEP20. So simply go and click on confirm. And once you have done so, there is no need for memo. And after that, you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer. So I can go with the max. At the bottom, you can see the available amount, or you can edit that amount to whatever you want to. And once you have done so, tap on withdraw. It says confirm. You didn't fill in the memo, so that doesn't matter. And click on confirm. It says confirm order. So simply go and tap on confirm. It is showing the transaction fee, etc. So you need to take care of that. And once you tap on confirm, you will receive BNB in your Trust Wallet within few minutes. It may take up to 5 to 20 minutes or some time more than that, and you'll be able to see BNB in your Trust Wallet transferred from Binance. So hopefully it has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.